Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to unbox and give you some first impressions of the Rock iPhone or smartphone holder for cars. And we're going to be testing it on Cherry, our Fiat 500. Right then, so this review device was provided to us by Rock, and we're going to take the sticky tape off the edge of the box that keeps the box closed. Now, the packaging is quite generous in size in terms of how big and empty it is by the feel of things, unless it's a very, very light product. But the packaging has a few details about the specifications of the product itself. As you can see, there's a picture of it and the fact that it includes a vent accessory, so you can attach this to your windshield, to your car body, or to the vents. And it has a 360-degree swivel, which is quite handy. There's a few details about the clamp itself on the side, so you can see that it has a 360-degree swivel. It is a suction pad mount that uses mechanical lever to create that suction, and that you can put your smartphone in it and it holds it vertically. So it's got bottom support as well as a clamp mechanism for holding the phone. And you've got a nice picture of it there at the top with the Rock logo on it. So I'm going to open up the packaging, and as suspicions were, yes, there isn't that much in the box. So you have the suction pad clamp, which you can attach to a glossy part of your car, whether that's the windshield or the body of the car. There is a vent mount, so you can replace this contraption with a vent holder, which is what we're going to be doing here. And this is the mount itself. And I'm going to put the packaging away in the car. Now you'll see that this has the Rock logo on it, and it's a pretty cool spring-mounted mechanism. So you press the button and it widens out to take your phone. But what we're going to do at the back here is unscrew or screw in the mechanism, so it was already unscrewed, and attach this to the vent of the car. So we'll do it here. Now the Fiat 500 has quite a selection of vents here. I'm going to try with the one closest to the door, and to do that I need to maybe realign things because it's in oblique mode. So it fits in nicely, or does it? There we go. And I'm going to take my iPhone 12 and pop that into the holder, and then you close it and it closes itself in. Now obviously you don't need to put it here, this is not ideal with the door next to it, but let's choose to put it in one of the center vents. There we go. So there you have the Rock iPhone holder for cars. In this case, I have it in a vent, but there is also the suction mount, so you can put it on your windshield or on a glossy part of your car if you prefer. I think this is quite a good way to do that. You will be able to also easily attach a lightning cable because there's a space here at the bottom for that. And you'll also, in a way, keep your phone a little cooler if you have your air conditioning on, because it will be over the vent. So there we are. And to release the phone, you can just long press there, long press the mechanism, and it seems to be quite sturdy as well. That's my first impressions. So let's try putting it, for example, on this other vent I have here on the far side. That's better. Just place it in the middle and clamp it in. So thanks for watching this Tech Travel Geeks quick unboxing and first impressions of the Rock iPhone or smartphone holder from Amazon. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from us.